article. This video for class 4, 3, 2. And here is the article. Article a, and the are called articles. Articles are of three. Articles are classified into two groups. Which one is indefinite article and definite article. So what is indefinite article and what is definite article? So first of all, talking about indefinite article. A and N. A and N are the indefinite article. So the is the definite article. So student, let's see use of A. Article A. Now where is use article A? It is used before consonant. It is used before consonants. We use a before singular countable, which we can count nouns beginning with consonant. Beginning with consonant sound, it use. Here is a consonant. A is used before. A is used before consonants sound. Here is a consonant. Your consonant is 21 consonant. Now here is the example. A stem. First letter is begin with consonant, so we use A. Here is desk. First letter is used consonant sound, so we use A. Here is TV. First letter is begin with a consonant, so we use A. Here is cup. First letter is C, is a consonant sound, so we use A article. Here is book. So books first letter is a consonant sound, so we use A. Then here is A use some way. We use A before some measurement like that. A kilo, a gallon, a liter. So I hope you will remember that A article is used before a consonant. Which consonant is 21. Consonants are of 21 consonants. So 21 consonant we use article A. To begin with a consonant sound, we added A article. So student, let's see uses of article N. Here is a definition. We use N before singular countable nouns beginning with a vowels. Which one is A, E, I, O, U? Here is a 5 vowels or vowel sound. So we can use N before vowel sound. Here is a vowel sound. We can use N, which begin with first letter vowel sound. Here is example. Now look at this example carefully and try to understand that. So here is the word apple. Here is its first letter begin with a vowel. So we can use article N. Here is elephant. This first letter is begin with a vowel E. So we can use article N. Now here is shoe. Here is shoe. Its first letter is I vowel. So we can use N. Here is orange. So its first letter is begin with a vowel sound. Which one? O. O is vowel sound. So we can use N. There is R. You think why H? H is not a vowel. H is a consonant. So why we can add N? No. It is a silent word. Silent word H, and then before vowel, and then after vowel. So we can add N, and H is a silent word. H is a silent word, and after that just and after that just a O is a vowel, so we can use N. H is a silent word. So student, let's see uses of the. We uses the before confirm things. Here is a countries whose name include words like kingdom, states or republic. Which one is begin with kingdom, states or republic? We added before the article the. United Kingdom, so we added the. Kingdom of Nepal, so added the. United States uses article the. Republic of Congo uses the. So here is a giving you a kingdom, states or republic. Where is these three things we added before the. So student, the is used countries which have plural nouns as their names. Country as their plural names, we can add article the. Like that, Netherlands is a plural form, so we can add the article the. Philippines, here is a Philippines in plural form, so we can add article the. Now look at the next. Geographical features such as mountain ranges, group of islands, rivers, seas, ocean, canals. Now these geographical features we can add the. So here is the is uses before canal, seas, river, mountain range. Here is uses of Himalayas, uses before article the. Canaries uses article the. Atlantic article the. Atlantic Ocean uses article before the. Amazon article uses the. Panama Canal uses article the. So here is the uses. The names of newspaper article use the. Times of India, so we can add article the. Hindu, add article the Hindu. Economics time, the economics time. Well known building or works of arts, like that Empire State of Building, here is uses articles the Taj Mahal, the Mona Lisa. Student, the names of hotel, pubs and restaurant, we uses before the. The Ritz Hotel, the Super Pubs, the Garrison Restaurant. Here is the names of religious book, also use the. The Bible, the Gita, the Quran, the Ramayana. So I hope you all understand article by this video. So thank you.